How to turn off SafeSearch on Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable filtered search results directly through Google's search settings. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. From there, go to google.com in the address bar. After that, tap the three dots or menu icon within the Google search page, or scroll down to find Settings at the bottom of the results page. At this point, tap Search Settings. Following this, scroll down until you find SafeSearch and tap on it. From here, you'll see options like Blur, Filter, or Off. At this stage, tap Off to turn SafeSearch off completely. Following this, tap Save at the bottom to confirm the change. Once saved, search results will no longer be filtered, so explicit content may appear in your results going forward. That's how you turn off SafeSearch on Chrome on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.